Ang tatalakayin natin ngayon ay patungkol sa factoring trinomials where a is not equal to 1. Siyempre, bago matapos ang video, dapat matutunan mo ang mga to. Tara, tuklasin natin ang sipnayan. Are you ready? Let's start! Ang sabi natin ng trinomial sa isang algebraic expression with three terms, and it is in the form of this: ax squared plus bx plus c. Ngayon, paano nga ba tayo magpa-factor ng isang trinomial kung yung leading coefficient niya, or a, is not equal to 1? For example, 3x squared plus 8x plus 15. Kung mapapansin nyo, may number bago ang x squared, which is 3. Another example is 2x squared minus 6x minus 27 and 5x squared minus 8x plus 16. These are examples of trinomials with a leading coefficient other than 1. Ngayon naman, ano kaya yung mga step para ma-factor yung mga gantong klase ng trinomial? Ang nakikita nyo sa screen ay mga steps. Ngayon, iisa-isahin natin yan. Let's try this example. Solve for the factor of 2x squared plus 7x plus 5 using the steps kanina. Sabi natin, ang trinomial is in the form of this. So, kunin muna natin yung value ni a, b, and c. By just looking at the equation, malalaman nyo na yung value ni a, b, and c. So, ibig sabihin, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 5. Now, let's go to the first step. Form the product AC. Our a is equal to 2, and c is equal to 5. Imumultiply lang natin yan. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So, AC is equal to 10. So, okay na tayo sa first step. Ito yung mga nakuha natin sa first step. Ngayon, let's go to second step. List the pairs of integer with product AC. So, kukunin lang natin yung factor nung nakuha nating value ni AC, which is equal to 10. And these are the factors of 10. So, okay na tayo sa second step. Next step is find the pair of factors with the sum equal to B. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Mula sa mga factors ni 10, kukuha tayo ng isang pair na ang sum is equal to B. Sa given trinomial natin, ang value ni B is equal to 7. Hanapin na natin yung factors ni 10 na ang sum ay 7. 1 plus 10 is equal to 11, so hindi to. Next is 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So ito, i-highlight natin. Next, negative 1 plus negative 10, no, it's equal to negative 11. How about negative 2 plus negative 5? Still no, kasi it is equal to negative 7. Hinighlight natin si 2 and 5. Ibig sabihin, the pair of factors na hinahanap natin ay yung 2 at 5. Okay na tayo kay step 3. Sa step 1, nakuha natin yung value ni AC. Sa step 2 and 3, nakuha natin yung pair of factors na hinahanap natin, which are 2 and 5. In step 4 naman, sabi replace B in the polynomials with an indicated sum of the factors obtained in step 3 and distribute x to both terms. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Ang given natin ay 2x squared plus 7x plus 5. Ang middle term natin ay 7x, papalitan daw natin yan ng pair of factors na nakuha natin kanina. Ibig sabihin, babaguhin natin yung 7, papalitan natin ng 2 plus 5. After mapalitan, i-distribute natin yung x sa 2 plus 5. Kaya magiging 2x plus 5x. Ito na yung ating 4-term polynomial. Okay na tayo sa step 4. Last step is factor the four-term polynomial formed in step 4 using grouping in pairs. So ito na yung ating four-term polynomials. I-group daw natin yung four-term polynomials na yan. Paano? Pagsasamahin mo lang yung may mga common factor. For example, ito, 2x squared plus 2x. The common factor is 2x. And 5x plus 5. The common factor is 5. At ito yung magiging itsura niyan. Ayan. Sunod ay ilabas natin yung common factor ng 2x squared plus 2x. Ano ang common factor? Very good. 2x. Ilalabas natin yung 2x. At ito ang magiging itsura. Next naman ay yung 5x plus 5. Ano yung common factor ng 5x plus 5? Very good, 5. Yun yung nilabas natin. At ito yung magiging bagong itsura. Kung mapapansin nyo, may parehas na factor. Yun yung x plus 1. Ibig sabihin, isa yun sa mga factor natin. Meron namang naiwan na 2x and positive 5. Yun yung magiging isa sa mga factor natin. So the factors of 2x squared plus 7x plus 5 are 2x plus 5 and x plus 1. Nakuha nyo ba? Sige, isa pa tayong example. Let's solve for the factors of 6x squared minus 5x minus 6 using the same steps. Bago ang lahat, syempre, let's identify the value of a, b, and c. Here, a is equal to 6, b is equal to negative 5, c is equal to negative 6. Now, let's go to first step. Form the product AC. 6 times negative 6 is equal to negative 36. Okay na tayo sa step 1. Next step is list the pairs of integer. Lista natin lahat ng factors ng negative 36. Since negative ang ating value ng AC, ibig sabihin magkaiba yung sign ng dalawang number na hinahanap natin. Ito na yung factors ng negative 36, so okay na tayo sa step 2. Step 3, find the pair factors with a sum equal to b. Ibig sabihin, hahanap tayo mula sa mga factors na to na ang sum ay dapat negative 5. So, isa-isahin natin yung factors na negative 36. 1 plus negative 36, wrong. 2 plus negative 18 is still a no. 3 plus negative 12, no pa din. 4 plus negative 9. Tama, negative 5, i-highlight natin. How about 6 plus negative 6? No. Negative 1 plus 36? No. Negative 2 plus 18? No. Negative 3 plus 12? No. Negative 4 plus 9? No. Negative 6 plus 6? No. So, ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap nating pair of factors ay 4 and negative 9. Let's go to next step. Papalitan natin yung middle term ng mga pair of factors na nakuha natin kanina. Yun yung 4 and negative 9. So, magiging 6x squared plus the quantity of negative 9 plus 4 times x minus 6. Then, i-distribute natin yung x kay negative 9 at positive 4. Kaya magiging 6x squared minus 9x plus 4x minus 6. So, okay na tayo kay step 4. Last step, meron na tayong four-term polynomials. So, ang gagawin natin ay groupings. Ipagsasama natin yung may mga common factor. Dito, ang may common factor ay 6x squared minus 9x and 4x minus 6. Igrupo na natin at ito ang magiging itsura. Let's factor 6x squared minus 9x. What is the common factor? Very good, 3x. Kaya nilabas natin si 3x at ito ang magiging itsura. How about 4x minus 6? The common factor is 2. Nilabas natin si 2, kaya ito ay naging itsura. Kung mapapansin nyo, may common factor which is x minus 3. Ibig sabihin, isa yan sa mga factor natin. Natira si 3x at positive 2, ibig sabihin, yun yung isa nating factor. So the factors of 6x squared minus 5x minus 6 are 3x plus 2 and x minus 3. That's all for today. I hope you learned something. Bago matapos ang video na to, I want you to remember that practice makes progress. So, keep on practicing!
And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!